Why are invasive species so destructive to native biodiversity? Imagine walking through a forest and seeing plants and animals you've never seen before taking over. It might seem interesting at first, but invasive species can cause serious problems for native plants and animals. They are species that are introduced into new areas where they don't naturally live. Sometimes humans accidentally or intentionally bring them to new places. Once there, they can grow and spread very quickly because they have no natural enemies or predators in their new environment. This rapid growth can push out native species that have lived there for hundreds or thousands of years. Invasive species compete with native species for resources like food, water, space, and sunlight. For example, invasive plants can grow faster and taller than native plants, blocking sunlight and taking up space. This leaves less room for native plants to grow and survive. When native plants struggle, animals that depend on them for food or shelter also suffer. Some invasive animals might eat native species directly, reducing their numbers. Others can carry new diseases that native species have no defenses against, causing further declines. Invasive species can also change the environment itself. Certain invasive plants can alter soil chemistry or increase the risk of wildfires. These changes make the habitat less suitable for native plants and animals. When the natural balance of an ecosystem is disturbed, it can cause a chain reaction. Native animals may find less food or fewer places to live, which can lead to a decline in their populations. This disrupts the food web, the complex network of who eats whom in an ecosystem. Many invasive species reproduce very quickly and in large numbers. This helps them dominate an area before native species can recover or adapt. Human activities like clearing forests or creating open spaces often help invasive species spread. When natural habitats are disturbed, invasive species find it easier to invade and take over. Understanding how invasive species affect ecosystems helps us see how everything is connected. When one part of an ecosystem changes, it can impact many other parts. For students, learning about invasive species through activities like identifying local invasives or simulating their spread makes these ideas more real and easier to understand. Invasive species are destructive because they upset the natural balance of ecosystems. They outcompete native species, prey on them, or change the environment, leading to a loss of biodiversity. This weakens the natural systems that support many different kinds of life, including humans.